The smartphone arrived in its green box. Inside there is documentation, a SIM card ejector tool and a soft plastic protective shell. As you can see, the location provided for the photo module is a little different from what you usually have, and you will see why in a few seconds. There is also USB to USB-C cable and an 80-watt charger. Let's move on to the smartphone. As you can see, the photo module is molded into the back of the phone, as it was also the case with the Find E5 Pro, and with this glazed green color it is really very pretty, and in terms of design it really gives the impression of being in the same range than the brand's flagship. It remains quite light and pleasant to handle while having a rather large screen with its 6.7 inches, an AMOLED Full HD Plus screen with a refresh rate of 120Hz. On the top there is a speaker and a microphone, on the right side the power button with a green border. On the bottom the dual SIM drawer, a microphone, a USB-C port and a second speaker for the stereo. On the left side the volume button.